What is going on, guys? It is your boy Rish, coming back to you, with another vlog, another day, another video for the channel. Yeah, today is a cold ass day, and it's the day before a big snowstorm. It's supposed to snow tonight, 10 to 18 inches, so I don't know what to expect, and it's supposed to really happen overnight, which I work nights, which kind of fucking sucks, so I don't know what to expect, because I don't even have winter tires on the Civic. They're only all seasons. I'm trying to find someone who's selling 205, 55, 16 tires. I am going to the TSX today, waiting for my girl. She's in a eye appointment. I'm waiting in the car. After that, we're gonna go to the house and figure out a way to cover the trunk, because it's gonna snow a lot, so I need to put wood down and tarp or something and hope for the best. If I sell this, that'll be very, very nice. Nice chunk of cash going straight to the savings. I'm just trying to get all my bread right and make sure I'm not rushing anything and being patient, because yeah, once you do that, things go wrong. So nonetheless, tune in, stay tuned, guys. I appreciate you guys checking out the channel. If you're new here, make sure you drop a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I post another video, vlog, montage, visual, anything maybe. There's gonna be a lot more vlogs starting, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, thank you guys for all your support. It really means a lot. Any growth is something. From the last video I posted, the first vlog, I got 4 more subscribers, so we're at 1,384, so that's sick. Our biggest goal right now is just trying to get monetized. Thank you guys. See you soon.
I can't tell if it's blurry or not.
Yeah, guys, she's blind as a bat, so she can't even navigate the damn camera right. Yes, we're about to be at their fucking car, and it is fucking cold. And yeah, I just wish I had this car done and over with before all this coldness, but hey, what can we do, man? We're getting rid of shits, and that's all I can really do. Pulling up to the hot spot. Look at the fucking spaceship, guys. Should look like it's leaning about to take off. Alright, let's deal with this coldness. Oh, I have to figure out how I'm gonna cover this fucking thing up. I brought my impact gun. Would've made shit quicker, but oh my god, I don't know if you guys can tell how fucking bad I'm shaking. I don't know if I got low iron or something that makes me extra cold, but
It's cold as fuck.
Oh man, it is cold. Yeah, I chose the fucking best day to do this, but this guy literally hit me up yesterday talking about he wanted it, and he just hit me up and he was like, yo, so it's good. So yeah, I'm trying to get this out and hopefully just easy transfer and easy sale, and yeah, hope for the best.
That's good too.
He's got a blue one too, so he doesn't necessarily have to repaint. Rio Mugen wing, which is hard as fuck to find, and if that you have to wait quite a while for shipping, so it would be nice if I had my power tool right now, make things quicker. But right now I'm trying to take out my tail lights, because the guy wants the tail lights as well. So I'm selling the trunk, the wing, with the tail lights for $840. That'd be nice. Quickly, we're just taking out the rear bumper, because I have to take out the tail lights or whatever the fuck I had to do, because I never took out tail lights before. So I'm assuming you got to take out the bumper because this and that and whatever. And yeah, then I'm just gonna take off that's trunk.
And that's how the TSX looking.
Yo, what's up, guys, man? Shit took me about 8 years. It's no, it wasn't that long. About an hour and a half or so. Something, 2 hours. We're out here doing our thing. I got the trunk and the wing and the tail lights. It all luckily fixed. I was supposed to use my dad's truck, but yeah, no, that wasn't gonna work out because there's too much shit on there, because they're throwing stuff out, and yeah, so thankfully this all fit. I was not trying to go back and forth 8 bajillion times or something. That's done for the day. There's really not more to it than just to fucking someone buy it now. So yeah, I'm expecting $840 for the trunk, wing, and the tail lights. So hoping for the best, guys, because more money in savings, and I really want an S2000. I keep thinking about Corvette because it's instant power, a V8, still rear wheel drive, is nice as hell, but S2000 because Honda Boy, VTEC, those things are nice as fuck. They're gonna appreciate in value instead of depreciate. So probably better off with that. Appreciate you guys checking it out. Nonetheless, thank you for all the support, and yeah, stay safe out here, guys. Peace. So the storm's gonna be pretty bad. It starts at 7. I had to do some last minute shit. I bought some winter tires. They're actually pretty fucking nice. They're beefy as hell. I don't know how you say it. Sumiyoto, whatever tires. Winter tires. They're thick as hell, man. Be fucking plowing through snow. As you can tell, guys, we're at the shop. Did a lot of last minute shit. Went and bought tires. $260 on that Sumiyoto, whatever. They were good rated, good reviews and all that, so why not? I needed it. They're super meaty. Super meaty. Doggo love. Thanks, man. Thanks, buddy. There's always help. We gotta be in between people's legs, right? Right, buddy? But all going on over here, man. Tell me what you think or what you'd like to see. Enjoy this